In this video, I show you how you can insert the citations in Microsoft Word. So perhaps you have a particular text or a paragraph and you want to add a reference to it. What you can do is just add citations. So for that, just go to the References tab right at the top. And here you see this section which says Citations and Bibliography. And for example, you have a particular paragraph that you want to refer to a website. So what you can do is just select all of that portion or at least some of that portion and just go to References and Insert Citations. Go in here and click on Add a New Source. And from here, you can refer to the type of source, whether it's a book, a journal article, a document, or a website. So let's say it's a website. Author is Mr. Smith. And the name of the web page is www.example.com. And year is 2025. Month, let's say, is March. Day is 1st. So these are all the details that you want to enter. You select the language and click OK. And here you see the reference next to this paragraph, or in this case, a sample text. So once we click on that, we can see all the details about it. Just browse here, edit the source, and there you can see all the references about it. So that's how you can add any kind of reference or citations to your paragraphs or text in Word. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.